How to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free with WPS Office. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to download pirated Office software, you're probably familiar with the hassle-limited features, complicated installation processes, and the risk of it becoming invalid after just a few days. Not to mention the security risks involved. But what if I told you there's a completely free, legal, and reliable alternative? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to WPS Office, a powerful suite that lets you create documents, manage spreadsheets, and design presentations without the headaches or costs of pirated software. Let's dive into how you can use WPS Office to tackle your everyday tasks for free. First up, let's talk about WPS Word. So whether you're writing an essay, crafting a professional resume, or even drafting a letter, WPS Word has got you covered. It comes with all the essential tools you need: spell check, formatting, and even pre-made templates to help you get started quickly. For example, creating a resume is often a tedious process. But with WPS Word, you can choose from a variety of beautiful resume templates, edit them easily, and have a professional document ready in minutes as shown in video. Once you've created your resume, you have the option to download it and export it in PDF, Word, or text formats. You also have the option to switch to a different template. Now let's move on and talk about WPS Spreadsheet, which is equivalent to Excel. Whether you're managing your budget or analyzing data for your business, WPS Spreadsheet has all the tools you need. You can create charts, apply formulas, and even use pivot tables. All for free. As demonstrated, you can download a template and modify it as needed. You can edit the text, adjust tables, remove columns, update images, whatever changes you require. And just like with Excel, you can export your spreadsheets in XLSX format for easy sharing and compatibility. Now let's take a look at WPS Presentation, the free alternative to PowerPoint. If you've got a presentation to make for school, work, or any event, WPS Presentation is packed with features to help you design stunning slides. Not only does it come with tons of templates to choose from, but it also supports multimedia like images, videos, and animations. You can customize your slides just like in PowerPoint, but without the high cost. Plus, your PowerPoint files will open seamlessly in WPS Presentation. You have the option to save it in the PPTX format. And here's something you don't get with a lot of free Office suites: WPS also includes a built-in PDF editor. You can view, edit, and even convert PDFs to Word or Excel files, all within the same software. And here's a brief demonstration of how to convert a PDF to Word. No need to download additional software. It's all right there in the WPS suite. Great. It has been successfully converted to docx format. Now, if you're looking for even more advanced features, WPS also offers a premium version that comes with AI tools. This is especially useful for complex tasks, like analyzing large data sets or generating content automatically. With WPS Premium, you unlock advanced features like WPS AI, which can help you solve complex problems efficiently, making your workflow even smoother. So if you need that extra power, it's definitely worth checking out. So, if you're tired of paying for expensive office software, give WPS Office a try. It's free, powerful, and offers everything you need whether you're working on documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or PDFs. WPS Office is an amazing free alternative to Microsoft Office, offering everything you need for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF editing. You can download it for free, give it a try, and let me know in the comments which WPS Office feature you're most excited to use. Thank you for watching.